watching German Gyan. My name is Gyan, and guys, today we are up with a new video, and this gonna be very surprising video. Now you ask me why? So yes, here we are. Surprising benefits of learning German. Yes guys, you heard it right. In this video we're gonna learn what are the surprising benefits after learning German. I hope you are very much excited because when I was creating this video, when I was into my time while I was learning, I get so much impressed and this was actually a reality. So yes, let's start this video, and before starting let me just tell you, my name is Nidhi and I'm a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online and offline classes. Offline in Krithwar, East Delhi. We do provide teacher training program, corporate trainings, offline training, exam preparation, brush up classes. Oh my god, whatever you can think around German Gyan is a one-stop solution. So without wasting time, let's get started.
Surprising benefits of learning German early. Brain boosting power. Studies shows that learning a language like German early improves memory, concentration, and problem solving skills. Since German has structured grammar, it helps build logical thinking also. And kids who learn German early often perform better in maths and science. Global opportunity. Germany is the economic engine of Europe, and early knowledge of German can lead to scholarships in Germany, exchange programs, internships at top German companies, and future job opportunities in Europe and beyond. Better pronunciation and fluency. Children and teenagers pick up pronunciations faster and more accurately than adults. They absorb new sounds naturally, making it easier to speak with a native-like accent later on. So, the earlier you start, the smoother your fluency journey. Academic advantage. Learning German gives students a competitive edge. You can learn language certificates like Goethe Certificate A1 to C2, and it adds extra points for college applications, and it builds a great profile for studying abroad, especially in Germany where higher education is often free. So, like if you can speak German, then it will be easy for you to apply in German universities which are free or which provide free education. Future proof career. Germany is the home to global giants such as Bosch, Audi, SAP, DHL, and they need professionals who speak German. Even outside Germany, many MNCs prefer bilingual employees, and early learners have more time to master the language before they enter the job market. So, if you are someone who started learning language when you are in 6th and 7th standard, then the time when you will enter into the job market, you won't face any problem regarding the language. Cultural and personal growth. Learning a language at an early stage connects you with a rich culture such as their classical music, world famous literature, Oktoberfest, and more. And if you know German, then you can attend many more German fest and experience great culture. It also builds confidence, curiosity, and openness to new experiences. So, language is not just communication, it's a doorway to another world. So, if you know German, it will be easy for you to fly to Germany easily, and once you are in Germany, then you can experience so many cultural things and festivals over there which we only read in the books. Let's recap the surprising benefits of learning German easily. So the first benefit is that it sharpens your brain and it helps in getting better academic performance. Second, if you are someone who can speak German or who knows German, then you easily get the opportunity to do international studies, and that is free of cost, and you get better work opportunities in Germany. Third, if you start learning any language at an early stage, then you have proper timing for learning pronunciation, so you get clear pronunciation and fluency. Next, it boosts confidence and cultural awareness. So if you are someone who love about culture or who love to know about culture, then It's better if you start learning language at an early stage. And last, a powerful head start in your future career.
So guys, did you get surprised? Yes, I knew it. So yeah, thank you so much for showering lots of love. We'll catch you in the next one. So then keep learning German with German.